We own. We own already. My shit was showing me that I was buffering. It was showing me that we were buffering. Damn. We already got people in here. Buenos dias. Buenos dias. Let's get your frequency on. Get your vibrations on. Early in the morning. What up, Brett? What up, Nicole? What up, Hida? Beatriz, buenos dias. Shanti, Claire. I almost read your name like cilantro. My tongue almost started feeling funny. Imagine that shit. I'm not even allergic to cilantro, but sometimes when I eat it, it just makes my tongue feel like soap. Yo, what up, Chase? What up, baby? What up, Kathy? I feel like sometimes early in the morning, I feel like I sound like Theo Vaughn. Yo, Brody, what up, baby? I'm finna get my Theo on. Now you know. What's up, beautiful? Buenos dias. Eliana, buenos dias. Gold hit an all-time high. She hit 29.46. I didn't even touch my charts after yesterday's massacre that great performance that we displayed yesterday, and being able to, what's the proper words that I can use? It is so amazing. It's so amazing to be able to dive into the financial market and find your flow. That's what I thought I'll talk about today, because I wasn't able to give you guys a mindset on Monday. So I said I'm going to do more of a mindset and Wick talk at the same damn time. You know how I be mixing it in at the same damn time. But I think it's so amazing to learn the skill to be able to find your flow. And when you find flow happens in all aspects of life. Most people feel flow when they feel love, when they feel like they meet someone and they can literally talk to them for hours, or laugh, or be extremely transparent with them from the get-go, and it's so powerful. It's such a powerful feeling to find flow with love, or find flow in finances, find flow even at your 9 to 5. A lot of people love their 9 to 5. I don't, as much shit as I talk about being in the rat race of the matrix, 9 to 5s are good for a lot of people, they're not good for me, but I always say what you eat don't make me shit. So, but at the same time, I know a lot of people are very successful from their 9 to 5s. So I'm never knocking the 9 to 5. What I'm saying is, don't get stuck there. Don't get trapped there. Don't find yourself in a flow where you're just flowing through the motions of passive income for someone else. This is the most hindering thing that you can do when you're trying to attack generational change, is be stuck in flow for someone else's passive income, when that same energy will create that passive income for you. Put some fire in the chat. How y'all doing? We got 53 beautiful people in here this morning. We got good flutes and Native American drums in the background versus that Cuban swag that I've been playing for the last couple classes. So let's do a recap. Let's recap. Gold yesterday. Ew. Gee Williker. She hit 29.39 and showed her ass yesterday, y'all. She showed her ass. She went all the way down here, pulled back through this little buy zone, which was 28.92. Came back, retest that buy zone right here at 28.89. And boom, flew to an all-time high. So I can almost say the 28.88. Remember the 28.88 buy? Remember the 28.88 buy that didn't work out right here? Look at how she comes back and gives us financial abundance. 28.88. So I also told you guys I think it was 3, 4 classes ago about how to retake zones. Like, stop deleting zones that are really, really good zones, especially if they're given by Alex, given by me. Like, stop deleting the zones. Just have a journal. And when you see that zone, when you see the price sitting at a 28.88, who do you think about? Like, why would like nothing but abundance pop up into your head when you see 28.88? Now, if you saw 28.88 while sleeping, it's a different story, but everybody saw it yesterday. Everybody was up. So when you see that, question, beautiful people. Why do you not get it? Why you don't get it? It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How you doing? How your mama doing? How your daddy doing? How your cousin doing? What up, Beverly? What up, Langston? What's happening, y'all? This is a beautiful thing. This is a beautiful thing. Actually, this happened last week. Sorry, the Friday on that 28.88. She was like up in here yesterday. She was shock out. So let's delete. Let's find our flow in marking charts, because a lot of you guys find marking charts, it's like it's like Greek to you guys. Now, I understand the new people, but some of you guys that have been here for a minute, they can mark up charts but still can't trade. Damn. Y'all see what that look like? Tell me what that looks like. This is a 4-hour chart. Somebody type in the chat, what does this look like? This right here. Type in the chat. That look like. And I love you too. I love you too. I love you too, Jay. What does it look like? W's, right? W's. So how do you play a W? How do you trade a W? I've taught you guys so many times. There's so many ways you can trade the W, but how would you trade the W? Y'all see? What up, Twan? How you doing, my man? Yeah, give my guy a shout out, man. He be working extremely hard. Like, I be working extremely hard protecting us around here. BCR. You can see it as naked as day. BCR. Boom. She broke out of the zone. Boom. Pierced it right here. Here is your shot. Here is your shot right there. So she came back again. She's coming down hard now. So as she comes down hard to hit the retest again, now you must understand that if she took off and went from here to here, you talking 932 to 947, that's 150 pips. That's 150 pips up and 150 pips back down. That's a total of 300 pips in 8 hours. So if she's coming back down with the same force she went up with, this is now higher risk. You see? So when it popped through and retest and you buy up, that's a low risk, high reward play. Now that she retested it and you want to hit it now, this brings the risk even higher and the reward even smaller. Put some ones in the chat if you understand that. Put some ones in the chat if you understand that. That's the early bag. What's it say? That's the early bag buy right now. Alex got an early bag buy. Is it activating? Are we in the mix right now? Let me see. 29.35, 29.32. Oh shit. It's at 30. Oh shit. Well, hold on. How could I not? It's my boy Bizone. That means I got a great entry. That means I got a great entry. Yeah, but it hit 3 times. It hit 3 times already? Oh, well, damn. Then why y'all didn't say that? Luckily, we hit her small for the simple fact, this is what I mean by understanding the risk. When the risk gets higher, rewards get lower. When risk is lower, rewards are higher. You understand that, beautiful people? Put some fire in the chat if you understand that. Oh, I'm looking at them right now, Elizabeth. I'm looking at them right now. I was doing push-ups this morning. I was doing push-ups this morning. I was burning steam, you know what I'm saying? I was waking up feeling like Thomas the Train. Choo, 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 choo. You know what I'm saying? I woke up feeling like Thomas the Train this morning. Choo, 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 choo. Yo, we green. Who green? Who green in it? I got me a 33 entry. I'm excited. Yeah, I got me a 29.33. Yeah, so I got me one right here. I can see it coming down to either like a 29. It could come to a 9.29 on the back end, but she pushing. Yeah, I'm saying? I had to self-reflect this morning. Patrice. Let's go. Shit. What do I need to be teaching? Hell, it's on and popping. High risk, low rewards. Even horse get married one day. You got it, Twan. That scares me that's a quote that you keep and you remember. I love it. That's hilarious. If people are missing this class because they just don't feel like they are a morning person, like I'm the solution to your actual problem that you can't wake up in the morning. I'm that solution because the vibe and the energy and laughter, it literally just, I'm telling you, y'all bullshitting. Y'all bullshitting. Y'all like a humpback whale with no hump. And it's hump day, baby. It is hump day. Humpback whales with no humps. Forex traders with no thrive to get up doing London sessions. Come on now. So, again, as I was educating, because I get kind of sidetracked because we got 115 million beautiful people in here watching. You know what I'm saying? Numbers just being manipulated. So let me show you guys, like, trading is extremely easy. Overthinking is hard. If I just woke up, you know what I'm saying, coming out of my room, coming downstairs into my office, cut on the actual computer, and this is the first thing I see, I would go, oh my God, that's a W right there. Why did I not play this whole thing out? Boom, boom, boom. And then the last leg hit. Boom. Why did I not recognize the last leg? Why did I not use the diamond concept and then see that she broke out the diamond on the upside? Boom. By the retest right there. Do you know yesterday when I was explaining to you guys about that risky buy and that risky sell in that channel between 29.15 to 29.07? Y'all remember that range from right here to here? Y'all remember that range that I was showing you on the 15? I said, yo, why jump into it when it's here? Wait till it break on the upside, retest back in it, and then take the buy. Or if it breaks on the downside, retest back into it, take the sell. Put a 1 in the chat if you remember that. Terrence Bridges says, buy or sell. Well, we're already in the buy, T. So you're late. So now you must watch. No FOMO. I put pennies there and I'm up literally $18, bro, just to show you. No income claims. You know what I'm saying? So it's a beautiful thing. Go hit that like everyone. Yes, tell them again. I had to reread that, Megan. I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. I said, whoa, 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 whoa. Keep it PG-13. Keep it PG-13. Yeah, so when I'm in class, I don't like to hit it real heavy when I'm like teaching. Because in the morning, I'm more focused on educating. So when I do take trades in here, other than the last little trade that I give you guys, I always just tread light, So I can sit in class and make 150, 200 bucks, or even 80 bucks, 60 bucks. Like, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Because for me, it's 4 in the morning. It's 4:16 in the morning. And people in Vegas at this point, they're either spending money, begging for money, or doing the worst for money right now at 4 o'clock in the morning in Vegas. How do you know when actually time to enter? Well, there you go, Lori. That's why you literally understand where the market is at, where has it been, and where is it going. So let's pick this scenario on gold. There's several ways you can confirm it. You can put a trend line there, boom. And you can say, it hit already right here once, right here twice. That is the third time. So Alex gave you the third buy zone off the trend. I mean, the third confirmed area of rejection from this trend line that it has created on the 4 hour. And it's playing out. You also have the EMA 9 right here. So therefore, it's pushing the market up. There it goes. You see that push? That's a beautiful push. That's a beautiful push. On top of that, it is literally retesting the structure of the W, you see? So it broke out of this structure. It broke out here. It broke out here. It created an all-time high. So it retraced back into the same zone that it just broke out of, and now she should literally push out. It's just that simple. If she does not push out, it's okay. She closed over here. Let her shake a little bit, and if she start dropping at least 20, 30 pips, take the L. Retest to the backside of 29.30, and boom, sell her back down to the buy. That's finding flow. Yeah, it's still dark. It's still dark out here in Vegas. So it's like, imagine, we running it up right now. You know what I'm saying? We running it up. Most people doing the worst. Most people doing the worst right now. You got people on the street right now creating the signs that they're going to stand at the stoplight with today. I'll do anything for anything around here. So, yes. How do you know when it's... Oh, I'm reading the same questions. My bad. Let's rock and roll. So I don't know about everybody else, but I took the Alex Lugo buy. I took the Blue Go buy, and we're gonna ride her out and see what she gives us while we're teaching. So why is finding flow important? What are the recommended TPs on this trade? Well, now you're in my class. I don't believe in like TPs. I believe in understanding your financial purpose. Like, what are you trying to get out of the trade? Like, most people's goal should come within 30 pips. You know what I'm saying? Like, most people's goals to the proper percentage to the capital that you have in your account should almost hit it at 30 pips. And if it's not, then you might be under leveraging. But after 30 pips, this is when I move my stop loss at break even. And this is when I'm like, all right, if I have a lot size in her, I'm going, all right, let me take one. Let me take at least 25 of it. And then boom, I'm left with 0.75. She goes up another 30 pips. Now I secure another 0.25. So now I ain't got but a 0.50 in that trade. And if she goes up another 30-some pips, that's 100 plus pips in the trade. I literally have only 0.5 left, so I'm still up another $500. I'll take $250 of that, leave $250 running, and just bring my stop loss literally maybe up to 40, 50 pips into the play. and just let her ride up and say, you know what? I've already taken almost $250, almost $300 off the trade. I have already 200 some plus running. So whatever this thing plays out, I'm either finna get zero or this 250 finna turn into a bag. Like this. Like that. What up, Jake? What up, Jake? Abdul Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my brother. Yeah, so we're going to get there. We need to get that little bounce right here. We want that bounce. And guess what? If it breaks over here, just breaks down over here, retests over here, listen, if she doesn't really take off, she just still hovers in 93.1, 932, 933, 934, coming back up in here, and she just playing around over here like she did here, yo, I'm going to hold the sell. Hold the buy. I'm not going to just abandon the buy. It's going to have to break out of here. You see, it's going to have to get up under a 32 or 29. It's going to have to get up under here. You see, around that 30 area for me to start saying, fuck, I don't like her anymore. If she closes at 30 and then she's going to retest back at the 33, the 33 is now the entry point for the sale back to clear all of this. You see? But who cares about all of that? Let's find flow. Let's delete it all. Back to the structure. It's clear as day. The market is filled with M's and W's, beautiful people. M's and W's. And we're blessed today to witness a W live. Already formed. It has already formed. It is complete. Structure is complete. It has a breakout pattern right at the top of the W, which is where I had alarms. Let's delete. They don't look like they're deleting. So now it is retest in there. This is a 4-hour retest candle. And don't get it twisted, guys. This is not a big candle. I have it looking big. It's literally a small candle. It's a small candle. I just got it big for TV. You know what I'm saying? I just got it big for TV so you guys can really, really, truly see it. So this little entry right here is absolutely amazing. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you did not get in there. But this entry right here is absolutely amazing because that entry could be the trigger of a really big pullback. And if you start looking on the 1 hour, check it out. You see? That's that entry right there. That's that pullback. Let's go. Look at that. Boom. Look at the pullback. This is a really good entry for a really good trade. She could just literally, because I know she already hit an all-time high, she's retesting that area. So now we can start saying maybe this is the buy where gold stays inside the 2900s and she gets up to 2950s and she does not come back. We might not see the 2800s anymore. We might not see the 27s no more. We might not see where we've been telling you to buy. And I've been telling you for a year almost, telling you just press the buy button with a small lot size and just let her ride. Just let her ride. Broken retest. What's happening, baby? Anybody got any more questions? Anybody got any questions? So I'm going to show you how you can mark your charts and still find that same zone that Alex literally just gave us. Watch this. I love getting on Wick Talk, and Alex already gives some good plays that I really see as well. And I'm like, oh shit, it just made my job so much easier, bro. You just made it so much easier. There it goes. So we got an all-time high, a new all-time high, and it is sitting at, why can I delete my alarms? I probably need to refresh. It's okay. They're in the way, though. They're in the way. But no weapons formed against me shall prosper. What y'all know about that no weapons? What y'all know about the no weapons? So those are our weekly parameters. Let's get over here to the day and let's see what that day's shaking like. Let's see what the day's shaking like. Ew, look at that daily candle. Let's make sure we got it topped off. Let's get that daily floor. Daily floor looking like a doji, baby. Looking like a doji, as Theo Vaughn would say. What's worse than a individual that can't make a decision on a daily basis? What's worse? It's a doji on a weekly basis. The individual can't make a decision on a weekly basis. So when I see these dojis, and I know my brother just gave us a breakout, so I go, yo, where is the end? Where is the buy? So when I get over here to the 4 hour, that's when you see the buy right there. You see? So it hit the all-time high, bounced back, retraced back into this area right here, and that's where he says, let's buy. Because what was that? What was his signal again? I want to say, let me see. 35 to 32. Let me ask you guys this. How many people know if I see a zone, where do I set my alerts? Type it in the chat. If you gave me a 35, 32 zone, where would I personally set my alert? Let's see who's watching. Let's see who's listening. How do you use the stochastics for confirmation, like on the 4 hour? Shows overbought, right? Yo, Mag swag. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Middle to modest. Imagine my entry. I have a 29.33. So if he gave a 35 to 32, my entry would be 33. I got a 33. And people say, well, you're so good, Mr. H. Why you don't take your aggressive? I don't have to be aggressive. Listen, I don't have to be aggressive. Why do I need to be aggressive? I'm aggressive in so many aspects of my life. Why? When I see so many people on a daily basis in an aggressive energy in the financial market, getting their ass handed to them, including me. So I specifically like to hit her middle to modest. I like to hit her middle to modest before I'm like wanting to just stop doing whatever I'm doing to jump into a trade. It has to be middle to modest. This is like my thing. But if I'm just watching something, I was going, yeah, I think this heifer might leave right now. She might leave. I'll hit her with something light, you know what I'm saying? Hit her with a little Hershey Kisses or something. Hit her with a little snickerdoodle cookie or something. How many people like them snickerdoodle cookies? Them snickerdoodle cookies. That's the old white lady cookies. Honey, come in here and get you some milk and snickerdoodles. Let's go, beautiful people. So yeah, this is where he sees that buy. He goes, yo, you have an all-time high right here as your roof. You got your daily floor with this. This is Wick right here. So we can say Alex gave an aggressive buy zone right here, which is 35.32. You see, he gave it right here. 35 to 32, which is right here. Yeah, right there. I got a 33. So yeah, it hit his modest, pulled up. So he's like 10 pips in profits from the modest. If you're in this aggressive, you're in a little drawdown. But if you learn to split your lot sizes, and I'm not talking 5 and 5, if you want to do a 0.10, it should be 0.02, 0.08, 0.02 at the aggressive, 0.08 at the modest. You see? Or you can do a 0.01 just to tap her because you know you're always wrong. Then at the middle of the modest, do a 0.02. Now you enter for 0.03. If she hits modest, you hit her for a 0.05. That'll still give you literally 10 in, like a 0.10 in the market with 3 entries. As she pulled from modest all the way back to aggressive, you close out your modest. You close out your aggressive as she pulls over there. And what I mean by close out, that means take the stop loss and put it at break even. So when she just pulls up out of there, you won't be taking losses on the trade. How many people are scared to put their stop loss in at break even just because you're afraid of getting clipped out? I love me some snickerdoodles. Why did you set the floor at the bottom of that red candle? Well, that's the daily, because that's the daily lowest price. You see, so when you look at this wick on the 4 hour, that's the daily floor. You see, this is the current daily candle. It has 9 hours and 26 minutes left. So what the weekly high is the daily roof. The daily floor is this wick right here. That means this candle was red. It hit 29.24 and pushed all the way back up. Alex saw it this morning and he said, yo, I got an aggressive buy. So if she just pulls back in that 35, 32 area, which is closer to the EMA 9 on the 4 hour, we should get a really good push up because of this candle here. You see? So it basically just retesting a consolidated area that it already spent 12 hours in. Tried to break to the downside, but closed back into it. Opened up, came here to 31, shot to an all-time high. From 31 to 46, you can put your measuring sticks, if you don't know how to calculate pips, and go from here to here and go, that's 155 pips. That's 155 pips. So if it went up 155 pips and I was eyeballing and gave you 150, imagine. She turned right back around and gave you the same 150. You see? She turned right back around and gave you the same 150 from another area right there. Boom. 153 she gave us. She gave us 153 and now she pulling back. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. As Mr. Rogers would say, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Why don't you come out and play? It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Why don't you come out and trade? I used to till I lost enough. I don't use stop loss, to be honest. Well, I would say I don't use stop loss either until my trade is like secure, like up 30 pips, 40 pips. In open bail, I use it like it was like a redheaded stepchild. like get your ass over here and get right there and stay there. That's how the stop loss is on open bail. I got the stop loss in my pocket, like how my mama used to take me in the grocery store. Now, when I take you in here, you not gonna say nothing, you not gonna do nothing, you better not touch nothing, and when I put you somewhere, you better get activated. If something comes near you, you better get activated, I'm telling you. Because if I take an L because of your ass don't work, screenshot straight to customer support. I don't see how people not coming and get this love in the morning. We 34 minutes in class. We already in a buy because our leader, Alex, our founder, Mr. Lugo, the #1 trader on the globe, has already projected that we should be in a buy from 35 to 32. I'm in it from 33, so I feel good. She's sitting at 35 now, so we like 20 pips up. We 20 pips up. We 20 pips pimping. We almost have the same mama. I'm telling you, I don't know where y'all from, but I don't know. But if you around about, you know what I'm saying, you from the 70s to the 80s, everybody's kind of mama is the same. 85, 90s. If you up under them 90s, everybody's mama is the same. So we finna go in this grocery store, and I ain't got but like $30. So I'm telling y'all better not look at nothing. You better not ask for nothing. You damn sure better not take nothing. And buddy, let me tell you, if I find you sneaking and eating shit in the aisle, I'm gonna slap the black off for you. This is how my mama used to talk to me, because I used to go in the grocery store and eat shit while I'm walking through, you know. I was like, why? I didn't know. I'm telling you, my mom was, and imagine I was huge, so I was big when I was a kid. So I was always pushing the cart. So I always try to throw that little extra in there, some Nutty Buddies, some little Debbies, you know. So that's how I am with my stop loss. Basically, I'm like a '60s mama on my stop loss. Only in the grocery store I'm putting this. Only in the grocery store I'm acting like this. Other than that, she's not existent. It's the best mama in the world. The best mama in the world. Look at her go. Let her go. Let her go. I'm excited. I'm excited to see this pull back past Alex's aggressive. It is at his aggressive now. So if you have two entries, you have an aggressive entry and a modest entry. That aggressive entry should be low enough for you to say, you know what? I'm just going to cut that and keep this one. So you still should be green. And then this is how you manage the trade. So for an example, for those who have a 35 and you have a 30, say 32, or even a 33 like me. This is my trade. Let's go right here. So if I had this entry right here, I would 100% close that entry as she pulls out and hits to 36.37. When she gets to 36.37, if I feel that this trade is a threat, which I don't feel it is a threat because you're watching a wick create from a 4-hour time frame. So when someone says, how do you use your stochastics on a higher time frame? Look at this. Remember what I told you. The market likes to reject when it comes from the overbought or the oversold market. So here's the overbought market. Here's max overbought. We will sell there, correct? That's what I teach you. And the bottom, we would buy at the max oversold. So that would be green. Boom. But guess what? You got 80-20. You got 80-20. What's that range? That's called market rejection. Bye, y'all. I go over here, find my templates, find market rejection. That will always be the baby blue line. Let's go back in history. Watch this. Let me get a pointer. We're expecting market to reject here and go back into the overbought market. Look at how many times it did it. There's one right here. Look at the rejection. 1, 2. Look at the rejection. 3, 4. I want to see that right there. I hope y'all see it. Y'all see that? Put some ones in the chat if you see it. That's how I use the stochastics on the higher time frames. So if she's already then bounced for the sale, I didn't get the sale. You see, I didn't get that sale. So what I did get is this, this little magical pullback right here, because this is a pullback saying we don't want to come back in the normal range. We don't want to come back up in here. We want to stay over in here. So imagine she can pull over here in the next hour and 20-something minutes and just consolidate over here and then blast off to 29.46, 29.48, 29.52, and then hover right there, you see? Because she just completed a structure. She just completed structure. Come on, give me something. I think my mouse about to die, y'all. Oh, no wonder this thing down here. Get your ass out of here. You see? So now she's at 36. Nobody should have an aggressive entry. This should be like, poof, be gone. It should be, bink, non-existence. And to save your trade, if you don't have the emotional capacity to handle it, bink, break even. Just like that. Look at her go. Mr. Lugo, I want to thank you, live stream. For making this ability so accessible and showing any and everybody that they can do it. You know what I'm saying? No income claims. I hit it with a 0.10, and the 0.10 is now 30. Meaning, I just showed an individual who thinks that they need a lot of money to enter into an actual financial market. You can take 10 cents and change it into $30. And this happens within a 40-minute time frame. It's absolutely amazing. So people say, well, damn, that ain't nothing. Well, then let me break that down. $11 a day pays your monthly subscription. Let's put some 8s in the chat for understanding financial abundance. $11 a day will pay for your monthly subscription. So why would you not secure the $11 out of that $30? Nintendo, 171 million beautiful people that is in here. Do you understand the financial knowledge that I'm dropping on you right now? Start understanding why you trading versus just trying to become a multi-million-dollar trader. Like, find out why you trading. Why you trading is to cover your ass on a monthly basis. You, as an individual that is moving around on this land, has an expense. You have a tag. And there's certain bills that sometimes are nagging as hell when they're more than what they should be. How many people can't stand when a light bill come in and it's higher than what it normally is, or water bill come in and you like, what the hell? My water bill this much this month? My gas bill this much this month? How many people can't stand that? How many people can't stand it? Understand, beautiful people. This is magic. Understand that. This is magic. This is magic. Look at this. So she's fighting this EMA 9 right here, the 36. She's fighting the 36, so she got 17 minutes to break the 36. If she breaks the 36, she's going to push going back over here. I'm excited for her. I'm excited for her. I'm excited for her. I'm excited for her. I'm excited for her to push, see what we get. I'm excited to see what she gets. Yeah, so imagine when you know that there are certain things that can creep up on you at the end of the month. Don't be the individual that went through a 30-day month scrambling and moving around 26, 27 days left. Like, you had 30, almost 28 days to get your shit together. So the 1st to the 5th is not messing with your emotions. How many people, like, emotions change between the 1st and the 5th? Y'all know I have over almost 80,000. Well, it's higher now. I have 6 figures worth of expenses due by the 5th of every month. Sheesh. Y'all understand that shit? You understand that right there? I'm just saying. Brutality. So imagine at the end of the month, me getting to the 29th to the 30th, and then me scrambling trying to find some money. It ain't a rock you can turn over or a dog tail you can pull up to find it to be able to cover that loss, you see? So this is why you got to be on it from the time you start to the time it finish. And then as months pass by, you find yourself in flow. And then you find yourself getting ahead of the game. So here it is again, y'all. She's sitting on that 1 hour EMA with a beautiful 1 hour candle. That's a beautiful 1 hour candle. You want this candle to find more buyers and push and close over that 29.36. She closes at a 29.37 to a 29.38. She's coming back up to the 29.40s. That is literally no doubt. No diggity, no doubt. And that's a beautiful candle. Look at the 15 minute. Look at the sniper on the 15 minutes. I'm at the 33. We're 30 pips in profit. Who are 30 pips in profit? If you're 30 pips in profits and you've never been in 30 pips in profit before, your stop loss should be at break even. Look, your stop loss should be at break even. Or you should have at least at 31. You should have it at least at 31. So just in case this little movement right here doesn't kind of like clip you out. I'll say you can put stop loss at break even. If she clips you out, your next entry is 31. You see, your next try, your next buy attempt. It's like, okay, you know what, fuck it, let me try 31. Me personally, I would wait right here. I would wait to this zone right here, this gap. There's a gap right there. 22.25. Or 24.27, that's what it is. 24.27. Like that. If this doesn't work out, that's your next play zone. Why? It's playing in this consolidated area here. If she breaks through here, it's coming here. From zone to zone to zone. Zone, zone, zone. Sheesh. I hope this is making sense. You need 4,000 a day? Yes, that's why I have retail. That's why I have retail. That's why I have trade shows. That's why I have iGenius. This is like diversification. And we're averaging between 6 and 8. So imagine. My minimums is like 33. Like I can't do less than 33 in the whole total operation. Like this is, so I hold that number 33, pure location, and I have 7. Understand the proper preparation to prevent poor performance. I don't never really brag about numbers, but I'm just telling you. I hold each location to the 33 daily. And then sometimes they fail, but overall when you get it towards the weekend and stuff like that, you get pretty close. If you're hitting 26, you hit 18 some days, you hit 13 some days, you hit 700 some days, then you have 6,500 days, $8,200 days, like that. So at the end of the day, it finds its flow, and it all adds up at the end of the day. Check it out, beautiful people. She is pushing to that 36 again. She wants to come to the 37 on the 15-minute, which I believe we will get. And once she gets over here closer to the 30, the only reason why she'll get shoved down in our face right now is because of this 1 hour wick, this 1 hour EMA 9 right here. And I don't think that EMA 9 has the ability to stop this hammer right here. Y'all see that hammer? That's a hammer. So all it could do is change that hammer into a doji. It could change this hammer into a doji here in the next 10 minutes. Anybody got any more questions? I think this was an amazing class. I mean, not only was it an amazing class, it's a profitable class. Like any and everybody could get in here and learn and earn, like real quick. Look at that push. Put some 8s in the chat if you are in profit, beautiful people. Put some 8s in the chat if you are in profits. I'm in profits. I'm excited for my profits. I'm excited for them. You know what I'm saying? Definitely amazing. Anybody got any question? What's the new zone if it breaks? It is 29, 27, 29, 24. 29, 27, 29, 24. So guess where my 25. 29, 25 is where my middle two modest is at. It's where I will start jumping on it like she has skinny ankles. You know what I'm saying? Jumping on like a backpack, 80-pound pack with a meal prep. You're more than welcome, Brett. You're more than welcome. Marcus. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. Oh, bro, I actually got all of that back last night, Paul. I got all that back and some. I got all that back and some. So let's go over here and let's go do our thing. We got 10 minutes left in class. Let me go check out NASDAQ. Yo, did y'all see NASDAQ yesterday? This should change everybody's life yesterday. This trade right here should have changed everybody's life. So let me ask a question. How many times you see the chat celebrating a huge movement in the market and you miss it? Put a 1 in the chat. It's okay, Jen. We're actually in Alex's buy. I literally just vetted his stuff just like he just gave a beautiful early bag and he gave a 29.35, 29.32 buy. When we got on Wick Talk, she was sitting at 29.33. So people was like telling me, oh, that's Alex's zone. So I said, oh, well, shit. Like, class is over. Make the rest of your day the best of your day, beautiful people. Like, we're in there. You know what I'm saying? Like, we in there, baby. We in there. So, yeah. So, listen to this. Not only did she smack yesterday for over what? Shit, almost 2,000 something pips. Like, schmam. 1950, I think it was. With zero pullback. Like maybe they probably stopped counting from this pullback right here. Maybe they cut me short. But from this candle here, man, give me some. Give me some. Listen, beautiful people. She pulled back. And I think this is Alex's buy. We went from my sell to Alex's buy, all the way back up to my aggressive, and she boom dropped again from the aggressive. Are you witnessing this? Let me pull this up. We got 8 minutes left in class. Let me show you. This is a 1 hour chart. This is a 1 hour chart. Look, right here. Bink. 22,229. Look at that. Man. Stop missing action. Stop hesitating. Yes, indeed, Jen. I like it also. Now she just got to push up. You know what I'm saying? Now she just got to push up. Because that 1 hour, like I said, that 1 hour wants to change there. What did I tell y'all? I don't be trying to act like I'm, you know what I'm saying, the smartest guy in the world. But what I know, I know. I could have swore I told y'all that 1 hour EMA wants to change that hammer into a doji. Put some H in the chat if you remember me saying that. I told y'all, she wants to change it into a doji. And if she changes this into a doji, that goes back to why we don't trade on the daily, because you're looking at a daily confused ass candle. You see? It's a daily confused ass candle. So what we go with, if we're in a doji, you have to not necessarily assume, but you have to project that if the market is in an uptrend and it's overall going up, currently going up, choose going up. It's the best odds. It's the best odds. It is the best odds. But as long as this candle is looking like that, we need smaller time frames to do their job. We need the smaller time frames to do their job. We need these guys to push up and break past their EMAs. We need the 15 to break past that EMA. The 30 minutes break past its EMA, which will get us over the 1 hour. You see that? This push up will get us over the 1 hour push up. Let me show you again. The 30 minutes is sitting at 29.38. The 1 hour is sitting at 29.36. So if she can get past to 29.37, that means she will close over the 15 minutes, which will get us attacking the 30. And then once she goes over the 30, listen, the 1 hour is OV. Boom. Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day. So I love you guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day, beautiful people. It was an amazing class. It was an amazing class. I love, like I said, I love being able to have a skill to find flow in the market, that I can talk about the financial markets and literally be on one pair. Like, I barely even move from gold most of the time. And I just sit on gold and for an hour, literally 45 minutes I teach, 15 minutes I give you trades, and boom, most of the time they get activated while in trade or literally right after class. You know, and because it's the end of London session, you guys got to understand why it is the way it is, why I'm accurate the way I'm accurate, because it's the end of the London session. And wherever London goes, like New York Stock Exchange, kind of come back and fill those gaps. So whatever I'm doing during London, I can almost say I'm almost might be doing the opposite during the New York Stock Exchange. You see, and then once the New York Stock Exchange, then you start talking about your Asian. Your Asians are going to basically try to either make more consolidations, or it would literally take it into the direction it's already going. These are facts. These are facts. So I love you guys, man. Y'all chill. Y'all have a great day. Y'all have a great day. Make the rest of your day the best of your day. I think it was an amazing class. I got travels tomorrow. I'm traveling to Philly tomorrow. So there won't be any Wick talks in the morning. There won't be any Wick talks in the morning. But we will get it in tomorrow night. That is for sure. Night. So I love you guys. Y'all have the rest of your day. Enjoy. I will see you guys in literally open bell. I love you guys. I'm going to go to the gym. I got back and back and biceps today. Ew, back biceps. So yeah, we pumping Big Papa pump guns today. I'm trying to leave the gym feeling like I'm a WWE superstar. Finally, Mr. H is in the building. You guys take care, man. I love you guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. And for those who put your stop loss and just break even, you about to get clipped out. And don't just rush back in it. Don't rush back in it. Allow the trade to breathe. Allow it to breathe. I love you guys. Deuces.